More people than ever are looking for the best camera for product photography. It is no longer just professional photographers looking to capture pixel-perfect images in the studio. There are also loads of people selling from home who want to photograph products. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best cameras for product photography you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, a beacon of creativity for novice photographers venturing into the captivating realm of product photography. Priced at an enticing $699, this mirrorless marvel claims the 5th spot in our list of the number 5 best cameras for product photography. Designed with beginners in mind, the EM10 Mark IV is a nimble and lightweight companion, beckoning aspiring photographers with its user-friendly dial-based controls. Its 20-megapixel 4/3 sensor captures the essence of your products with precision, while the micro 4/3 lens mount provides a vast array of options for lens selection, offering unparalleled flexibility in crafting your visual narrative. Navigating the nuances of product photography becomes an immersive experience with the EM10 Mark IV's sensor shift stabilization system, boasting a 4.5-stop advantage. This feature empowers photographers to shoot handheld confidently across diverse lighting conditions, transcending the boundaries of traditional setups. Embark on your photographic journey with the Olympus OMD EM10 Mark IV, a testament to affordability, functionality, and the sheer joy of capturing moments in exquisite detail. In the realm of product photography, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II stands as an unsung hero, eschewing glamour for sheer functionality. While it may lack the flamboyance of its full-frame counterparts, this mirrorless marvel emerges as the unassuming powerhouse, securing its spot as the 3rd best camera for product photography. Armed with a 24-megapixel APS-C sensor and adorned with the versatile Canon EF-M lens mount, the M50 Mark II defies expectations with its ability to capture stunning images that resonate with depth and clarity. The sensor's generous size ensures an enchanting, shallow depth of field, rendering each shot a masterpiece. Although the EF-M lens selection may not rival its DSLR counterparts, it suffices for the discerning product photographer, offering a range sufficient for creative exploration. The M50 Mark II isn't the boldest choice on the market, but therein lies its allure, a dependable companion in the world of product photography. What truly seals the deal is its accessible price point of $729, a modest investment for the aspiring photographer seeking reliability without breaking the bank. Meet the Nikon Z5, a marvel in the realm of product photography. Ranked as the number 3 best camera for this craft, the Z5 is a 24.3-megapixel full-frame mirrorless wonder, embodying Nikon's commitment to compact, lightweight design without compromising image quality. This camera is a visual poet, capturing lifelike details and vibrant colors in every frame. Its 4K 30p and 1080 60p video recording capabilities elevate your creations, offering a dance of crispness and smoothness with a touch of shallow depth of field magic. The eye detection autofocus reads the eyes of both humans and pets, adding an emotional connection to your shots as it faithfully follows their movements. The Z5 becomes a storyteller not just through visuals, but through stabilization too. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization ensures every shot tells a tale of steadiness, even in low light. And when the story is ready to be shared, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, coupled with Nikon's SnapBridge app, make it seamless. With a price tag of $996, the Nikon Z5 is a testament to its value. It may not have the pixel count of some competitors, but its full-frame prowess, especially in challenging lighting, makes it a steal for the discerning photographer. Step into the world of photography with the Fujifilm XT5, an enchanting blend of elegance and functionality. The XT5 boasts a slightly smaller APS-C sensor, a sacrifice that leads to a lower price point without compromising on performance. Despite its diminutive size, the XT5 wields a mighty 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, guaranteeing breathtakingly detailed images. This camera is a testament to the adage that size isn't everything. Its compact form belies its ability to capture stunning visuals. An ode to the past, it features vintage exposure control dials, harking back to an era when photography was an art form mastered by tactile precision. The XT5 caters to those who desire a seamless experience, offering preset film simulation profiles for instant storefront-worthy photos. Yet, its manual exposure dials and ergonomic design speak to the seasoned photographer, demanding familiarity with the craft. This camera is more than a device. It's a journey, an exploration of artistry and technology harmoniously entwined in a sleek, portable body. Priced at $16.99 the Fujifilm XT5, where passion meets affordability. Say hello to the Fujifilm XS10, crowned the #1 best camera for the job. Packed with 26 megapixels and an APS-C sensor, this mirrorless marvel promises not just pictures, but an emotional connection to your craft. Beyond the technical specs lies a camera that feels like an extension of your creativity. The XS10 doesn't just capture moments, it dances in your hands, turning every shoot into a seamless performance. Its regular mode dial whispers simplicity to beginners, yet its X-Trans sensor roars sophistication, delivering breathtaking images. But it's not just about what you see, it's about how it feels. The XS10 understands that a photographer's bond with their tool is sacred, especially during those marathon product shoots. As the shutter clicks, you'll find joy in its film simulation modes, adding a touch of timeless elegance to your visuals. The Fuji X lens mount, a gateway to unparalleled sharpness, transforms your camera into a magic wand for capturing the essence of products. The price of this photographic symphony? A mere $898. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.